The second deputy president Rigathi Gachagua ni ayumirite riu na akauga ati muturire wake wi hatikaini. Ayumirite na akandika kuria nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria na akandika my life is in danger na agekira documents iria maratathi maria akirikitie gukorwo agiforward kuri Inspector General of Police haria andikite all the attempts cia all the scenes anakorwo akiatakwo kuria arekuira ati ni andu mafangite guka kumunina kana kũmũũraga hamwe na family yake. I will read part of this statement addressed to the from the second deputy president of the Republic of Kenya Rigathi Gachagua to Douglas Kanja Kirocho, Inspector General of Police. Reference: assassination attempts and violence against my life. Augite ati katiba ya Kenya nitikiritie o mundu wi miheka-ini ya Kenya gukorwo akigitirwo na kuona ati anakorwo mubunge muthure kuria mathira kuma 2017 to 2022 na kuona ati athurirwo eta deputy president of the Republic of Kenya on 13th of September 2022 until 2024 when he was impeached in a sham way until the sham impeachment in 2022 on flimsy and trumped up charges by the sponsors well known to you. You are well aware and it is within public knowledge that this matter is still alive in court within the territory of the Republic of Kenya. Na koguo akauga ati kuona bado cira ucio wi igoti-ini na no urathi na mbere ni kuonania ati bado afati gukorwo na security yake iria afati gukorwo nayo eta former member of parliament and the second deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Oho ni athiete na mbere na gutariria all the incidences iria anakorwo akiatakwo muingi-ini kana in situations iria arona ni mamuturire wake wi hatikaini dating back from 28th of November 2024 hari augite at a funeral at a solemn funeral service at Limuru, Kiambu County. I was attacked and by organized criminal gangs, my vehicles damaged irreparably, women and children roughed properly, property of unknown value destroyed, mourners beaten up as police watched. This was an assassination attempt that failed. The attackers, whose photos and information was shared online for more information for more than 1 month on, no action has been taken. Ohonethete na mbere na kuga ati mweri 28 December 2024 ekuria Shamata Nyandarua ni akorirwo bado an inspector of police flanked by organized criminal gangs threw tear gas canisters at me to scatter my supporters and create a fertile avenue to attack me with an assassination intent. Oho bado tariki mweri 18 January 2025 at Kampunji grounds in Nyeri town at a prayer rally organized by the popular known Reverend Maina wa OTC when my spouse Pastor Dorcas Rigathi was preaching. An attack gang well known to you descended on the congregation. Mweri 23 March 2025 at ACK St. Peter's Cathedral in Nyeri, criminal gangs well organized by yourself and parties known to you attacked the Christian faithfuls kou kanitha-ini ucio mweri 29 March 2025 that is exactly a few days from that. Augite ati kuria Naivasha town a contingent of police officers under the command of a one Mr. Keter OCPD Naivasha heavily armed beat and roughed up innocent and armless residents of the town who had organically gathered to greet me. On 6th of April 2025, augite ati a church service at PCA Kasarani East Parish at Mwiki in Nairobi County, a battalion of furious gangsters wielding machetes and crude weapons stormed the church where I was worshipping and caused chaos on unthinkable magnitude. You are aware that there have been deliberate plans to attack my homes in Nairobi, Nyeri, and my properties across the country by individuals well known to you or where you are a culpable accomplice. You are also well aware that security agencies have been trailing me with unmarked vehicles. Notably, on 19th of December 2024, an NIS with a fake car plate ka KCR trailed me for over 150 kilometers in Makueni for no reason best known for a reason best known to yourselves. Take notice that constantly these NIS operatives trail and stalk me and my immediate family members in unmarked cars. This is an affront to right to privacy. Clearly, and as such, the NIS officers trailing me is a clear sign they coordinate with criminal gangs on my activities, movements in order to attack me. Oho bado ni athiete na mbere na kuga ati maundu macio ni mabati gukorwo magikumithio na njira nene muno kuona ati maundu manjagia uguo na bara yanjagia uguo kuona ati ona 207 maundu manjiria uguo na magithio uguo maki escalate to bigger and bigger and bigger things. Be informed, be reminded that in the run up to the 207 general elections in Kenya, similar patterns of incidents, either soft or hard, exposed Kenya into international shame, and your one-time holder of the office found his way to the International Criminal Court for crimes against humanity. Be informed that under the Constitution of Kenya, under Chapter 4, the Bill of Rights, fundamental freedom and rights are guaranteed to every Kenyan, and not under the mercy of the state of its bureaucrats. Conclusion of the story. Therefore, then I demand as follows, and be advised so, Mr. Douglas Kanja, the Inspector General of Police, immediate arrest and prosecution of the perpetrators of violence. Number 2, provide security in all public gatherings that I attend as a leader in this country. Number 3, provide me with security with immediate effect. Number 4, seize and desist from interfering with peaceful gatherings of citizens. Number 5, stop with immediate effect NIS officers and other security agencies from stalking and trailing me and my family members. Number 6, protection of my homes and property. Take firm notice that might further violence and assassination attempts be meted on me whatsoever, you will be personally responsible to the people of the Republic of Kenya and to the entire world. Rigathi Gachagua ni arikitie gukiumiria na kuga ati muturire wake wi hatikaini na akorwo agitariria as I have read to you and as I have explained to you uria akirikitie to come to that conclusion that muturire wake wi hatikaini na oho bado ni athiete na mbere na ko issue those demands na it is something that really should be taken seriously. Anytime Gachagua speaks, it should really be taken seriously. Maundu maria araria na maundu maria arauga, nothing in politics kwiragwo nothing happens out of mere coincidence. Gutire undu wikikaga siasa-ini out of just or uguo tu ati kwahanika tu oro uguo. Everything is planned and well articulated to achieve a certain goal. Ati undu o wothe siasa-ini wikikaga hena mubango wa gukorwo mundu akiachieve something. What is happening here and what is about to be achieved in this story macio nimo maundu maria a Kenya marakora makiuria thutha wa Gachagua gukorwo akiuga ati muturire wake wi hatikaini na ni arahoya thirikari kana ni ara demand thirikari ikorwo ikitake action. As you can remember, some time back, riria na mrorogano na Rigathi Gachagua was the deputy president at that time, na Uhuru tukiona ni security yake ni withdraw, aliweza withdraw pale security. It's an incident that I've just remembered right now. Na dari kana dauga ati hey, power is transient. Muthenya ucio Uhuru arikiria gukorwo akiehererio security ciake. Gachagua ni athire na mbere na kumucokeria na akiuga ati thigari ciake ciakorwo cike withdraw so that they can be prepared to tackle the maandamano that is being planned. Ate thigari cia former president cireherio nigetha cithi wira-ini wa gubanga uria mego contain maandamano. I think less than 100 police, less than 50 police officers being withdrawn ndio wenda wasaidie maandamano. That was so crazy. Na akiuga atafute G4S police, and just a few years down the line onake haha akirira thirikari ni undu wa kwehererio thigari. Guys, in this power, in this politics, you can't predict the future. Ndungimenya uria gugukorwo rucio. Some years back, Rigathi Gachagua was answering Uhuru gĩtũmi kĩa kweheria thigari ciake, and right now nake arandĩka marũa gũkũ acokerio thigari ciake nĩ thirikari. It's tough. But anyway, tough measures need to be taken. Nĩ gũbatiĩ gwĩkĩrwo mawatho very tough makuhakikisha thaa ici Gachagua security yake is sawa, because now that is in writing, kuona atĩ thaa ici ũhoro ũcio wothe nĩ andĩkĩte marũa kwĩ Inspector General of Police, kũngĩyumĩria ũndũ wĩkĩke thaa ici, ũmwĩkĩkĩre kana ũmũhanĩkĩre, then the Inspector General of Police Douglas Kanja will be responsible 100%. Anyway guys, that's just my opinion.